Filipino food influenced by different countries. Good day, I am JC Alexis C. Barales 3G. I'll be the chef for the day. Before the Spaniards colonized the Philippines, the country's cuisine consisted of fruit crops, game vegetables, and seafood. Filipino food recipes then was almost always either boiled, roasted, or broiled. Foreign trade brought in all kinds of spices and plants to the Philippines. Rice and meat dishes was from the Spaniards too. One recipe from the Spaniards is the champorado. Spain introduced chocolate to the Philippines. The ingredients of champorado is glutinous rice, cocoa, 2.5 cups of water, half cup of cocoa powder, half cup of sugar, and milk. Another recipe from the Spaniards is caldereta. Caldereta is a favorite Filipino meal served during parties, festivities, and other special occasions in the Philippines. It is a Spanish-influenced dish that became to the Filipinos' favorite and made their own versions. Originally, the main ingredients of this dish includes goat meat, tomato sauce, liver, pepper, and cheese. Filipino Chinese. Pancit Canton is a favorite of Filipinos when ordering Chinese food along with lumpiang Shanghai. Pancit Molo, an adaptation of wonton soup, is a specialty of the town of Molo in Iloilo. Pancit Luglog, Pancit Malabon, Pancit Palabok are all variations upon the noodle theme. The difference lies in the type of noodles used. One recipe for the Chinese is the Pancit Canton. The Philippine version of chow mein, although it is called named after Canton, it is said that such a dish cannot be found in Canton. One of the most popular kinds of pancit is a kind of pancit stir-fried in a ginger soy sauce mixture with toppings of various vegetables, meats, and seafood. Here is a video on how to cook Pancit Canton by Mamacitas. Unlike their Southeast Asian neighbors, most Filipinos do not eat chili hot dishes, although dishes from the Bicol region are distinguished by their use of chili, coconut milk, similar to Indonesian food. According to some historians, there are traces of Indonesian traders who came to the region about 2,000 years ago, and Bicol Express might have been one of the influences that the people of Indonesia left to the natives. Indeed, it is quite similar to some Indonesian dishes. Here is a video on how to cook Bicol Express by Mamacitas. There are so much things to be proud of as a Filipino. We made other things we learned better, like the food from different influences. This does not mean that Filipinos do not have originality. This only shows that Filipinos are creative and resourceful. Support and help Filipino. This doesn't mean that we should do extraordinary things. Simply supporting and eating Filipino food will help. Eating Filipino food, even in our own houses, will already give a big contribution. Be proud that you are a Filipino. Don't hide it. Show everybody who really are Filipinos. Not low people, not poor. Show everyone what a true Filipino is. Start now, even with simple things only. This is Bugsy by Ron, 3G. Good day.